Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a deep dive into a legendary matchup, the Honda CB750 and the Kawasaki H2. Both of these bikes made waves in their time and have left a lasting legacy in the motorcycling world. Have you ridden these bikes? Let me know your thoughts and which one you prefer. I'll let you know my thoughts at the end. So, let's rev up our engines and get started. First, let's talk about the Honda CB series, particularly the CB750, which debuted in 1969. Often regarded as the first superbike, the CB750 featured a 736 cubic centimeters inline-4 engine that produced around 67 horsepower. This bike set new standards for performance and engineering excellence. One of the standout innovations of the CB750 was its overhead cam design, which contributed to smoother and more efficient performance. Additionally, it was one of the first motorcycles to come with a front disc brake, a game changer in stopping power at the time. The CB750 was marketed as a versatile and reliable motorcycle, appealing to a broad range of riders. Its price was competitive at around $1,495, especially considering its innovative features. One of those was the innovative overhead cam design that played a pivotal role in establishing the motorcycle as a leader in performance and reliability during its era. The benefits of the OHC system not only contributed to the bike's impressive power and efficiency, but also set a new standard for motorcycle engineering that influenced countless models in the years that followed. This combination of advanced technology and practical design helped the CB750 become an enduring icon in the motorcycling world. Let's break down some of the additional key specs. The CB750 had a 5-speed transmission, weighed approximately 485 pounds, and boasted a top speed of around 125 miles per hour. The combination of power, weight, and advanced features made it incredibly popular among riders looking for both performance and reliability. Now, shifting gears to the Kawasaki H2, which hit the streets in 1971. The H2 was a beast in its own right, featuring a 748 cubic centimeters two-stroke, 3-cylinder engine that produced an astonishing 74 horsepower. It was known for its explosive acceleration and was one of the fastest production motorcycles of its time. The H2 was positioned as a high-performance motorcycle aimed at enthusiasts looking for speed and power. Its price was slightly higher than many other models in its class, reflecting its performance capabilities and the advanced technology of its two-stroke engine. The H2 was priced at $1,500 on its debut. The H2 was distinctive not just for its power, but also for its unique design. It featured a lightweight frame and was built for speed. The H2's two-stroke engine delivered that power in a very visceral way, which appealed to thrill-seeking riders. Let's compare the specs. The H2 weighed about 450 pounds, making it slightly lighter than the CB750. It had a 5-speed transmission as well, but its performance was designed for maximum acceleration rather than smooth cruising. Top speeds were reported around 130 miles per hour, rivaling the CB750's impressive figures. When it comes to handling, the Honda CB750 was praised for its stability and ease of use. It was an approachable bike, perfect for a wide range of riders. The disc brake system provided excellent stopping power, which added to the rider's confidence. On the flip side, the Kawasaki H2, while offering thrilling speed, had a reputation for being a bit more challenging to handle, especially at high speeds. Something new riders had to consider when purchasing or riding their first bike. The H2's two-stroke engine, with its impressive power output and lightweight design, set it apart as a true performance machine in its time. The benefits of the two-stroke design allowed the H2 to achieve rapid acceleration and high speeds, appealing to riders looking for an adrenaline-pumping experience. However, the two-stroke engine required a different riding style, and inexperienced riders may have found it more difficult to control. While two-stroke engines have become less common in modern motorcycles due to emissions regulations and efficiency concerns, their impact on performance motorcycles like the H2 is undeniable. cementing its place in motorcycling history. Comfort is another important aspect to consider. The CB750 was designed with a more relaxed riding position and a comfortable seat, making it ideal for longer rides. Many riders appreciated this feature, especially those looking to travel across distances. The H2, however, was more sport-oriented. Its aggressive riding position suited those who were after a more exhilarating experience, but might not be the best for long-distance touring. In terms of innovation, the Honda CB750 set a new standard for motorcycle engineering. Its overhead cam, disc brakes, and overall reliability transformed the industry. Honda marketed it as a bike that combined performance with everyday usability. Kawasaki, on the other hand, positioned the H2 as a performance machine, capturing the hearts of those looking for raw speed and excitement. It was often referred to as a race bike for the streets, which appealed to a very different segment of riders. Overall, the CB750 is generally regarded as more reliable than the H2 due to its superior engineering, durability, and lower maintenance requirements. The CB750's design focuses on a balanced approach to performance and everyday usability, making it a favorite for long-term ownership. In contrast, while the H2 offers exhilarating performance, it demands more attention and maintenance to ensure reliability. Riders seeking a high-performance machine need to be prepared for the additional care that the H2 requires to maintain its performance and longevity. Ultimately, the choice between the two may come down to the rider's priorities. The dependable, everyday usability of the CB750 versus the thrilling, but more demanding experience of the H2. The current market for the Honda CB750 and Kawasaki H2 reflects their lasting legacy in motorcycling history. While both motorcycles appeal to different segments of riders, their combination of performance, engineering excellence, and classic styling continues to captivate enthusiasts. If you're considering purchasing one of these bikes, it's important to thoroughly research the market, inspect the condition of the motorcycle, and be aware of the pricing trends to ensure a good investment. What are your thoughts? Did you feel the Honda CB was more reliable than Kawasaki H2? Surely there's some shade tree mechanics that have worked on both. To summarize, the Honda CB750 offered a balanced mix of performance, comfort, and innovative features, and is revered for its reliability that made it a fantastic all-around motorcycle. In contrast, the Kawasaki H2 delivered unparalleled speed and excitement, albeit with a steeper learning curve for new riders, and is celebrated for its thrilling performance. Thanks for joining us today. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Are you a fan of the smooth ride of the CB750 or the raw power of the H2? For me, I'm going with the CB, not just because of its specs, but also its overall design. I wish I had one in my garage, so let me know which one you prefer. Leave your comments below, and if you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more motorcycle content. Until next time, keep on riding.